What? Uh-oh. Almost. Oh, it wasn't almost. It was a collision. There's Doris way down there. That's where we're headed. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not paddling, but there is a flow of water here. It's taking me backwards. In fact, you're going to see in a second. Let me show you by the going from light to dark. We're going under a bridge. You can see the flow of water. I'm not moving at all. I mean, I'm not using the oar. And there's the bridge up there. And if I can move this thing around, trying. Here we go. Here we go. I'm moving it. My feet. I'll turn this around. You can see. Here comes Doris. See her? There she is. Okay. Okay, we just came back. The Genesee River is going, cutting across. We're on the canal. There's a dredger right there. We're going to make a right-hand turn back onto the river. And there's you-know-who. There she is. Hey, smile. There she goes. Yeah. Woo-woo. Right. Here's Doris taking a swing by. Where'd she go? Oh, she's behind me. Anyway, here's where we just came from, and there's where we picked up the kayaks. And there's the dredger over here. And I see Doris coming around. She finally came around. I've been trying for years, and she finally came around. Okay, we're going under Elmwood Avenue here. There's the bridge. There's Doris. And there's a sign. Oh, balls. Hey there, bride. Here we are under the bridge. U of R, there they are. And there, over there, is the chapel. And behind me, maybe I can move it around. Excuse me. All right, I just moved it around, and there's the other side. Boy, those U of R men, there's something else, huh? This boat just came out of nowhere from behind us. And there's the temple. Ain't that quaint? And if we go over here, there's my wife. And I don't know what that is down there. You can see the rocking maybe. Whoops, I almost lost my oar. From the wake of that boat. Excuse me. Signing off. So here's that chapel, U of R. And there's Doris. I wish I had a, what do you call it? A, no, dash cam. I wish I had a dash cam right there. Okay. It's pretty. Speaking of pretty, look, there she is. What we're down by Corn Hill now. This is that apartment complex right on the water. That's Corn Hill. What is it? Can you hear her? I can't. See the heron? Yep.